The Oppo Watch 4 Pro has a design similar to the 3 Pro but has upgrades inside and out. Starting with the outside, the watch body is now made out of stainless steel instead of aluminum, which should make it a bit more durable, and it is a bit heavier, 52.3 g versus 37.5 g. The steel has been given a brushed finish to contrast with the knurling of the crown. Also, the bottom is made out of ceramic, which is both durable and will avoid any skin issues. The display is still curved in a gentle arc. It's a 1.91-inch LTPO AMOLED panel as before, with the same 378x, 396px or 326 ppi. There are two versions of the Watch 4 Pro, Polar Night Black, which has a black body and a fluoro-rubber band, and Dawn Brown, which has a champagne color on the body and a brown leather strap. The watch is equipped with an advanced sensor suite that can give you a 60-second exam by tracking 7 key vital signs. The major components included in the exam are ECG, heart rate, blood vessel age, sleep and stress. It can measure things like blood vessel elasticity, it can detect arterial fibrillation, snoring and more. Interestingly, this model includes blood sugar monitoring in real time, and it will sound the alarm if the values change abnormally. The watch also has a skin temperature sensor, accurate to within 0.1 degrees Celsius. Like its predecessor, this watch is powered by the Snapdragon W5 Plus chipset, and there is a BES 2700 chip for low-power operation. This year Oppo doubled the RAM to 2 GB, the storage remains at 32 GB. The watch runs on a 570 mAh battery, a bit larger than last year, and will last up to 5 days in full smartwatch mode, up to 2.5 days with heavy usage. A light mode can go up to a couple of weeks, and fast charging is available, so 10 minutes is enough to last you the whole day. A full charge takes just over an hour. This watch has an eSIM, so it has 4G connectivity on the go. There is NFC too, though for now its functions are China-specific. Also available are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. For exercise tracking, the major positioning satellites are supported, and the watch body is rated for 5 ATM water resistance, so you can take it in the pool. The Oppo Watch 4 Pro is available for pre-order in China starting today. You can find it on the official Oppo store. Shipments and open sales will commence on September 8th. The Polar Night Black version costs 2,300 Chinese yuan or $315 or 290 euros, but there is an early bird deal and you can get it for 100 Chinese yuan less. The Dawn Brown model comes with 2 straps, so it is a bit more expensive at 2,500 Chinese yuan or $345 or 320 euros. Again, there is a 100 Chinese yuan discount available if you pre-order.